So 1 week later, and did it work? There were some comments. Does this work? Hey, I'm going to follow your advice. I was hoping that it works. We're going to find out on that here in just a minute. First, we need to discuss what has transpired in this past week. So when I applied it that Monday on Memorial Day, there were chances for rain all throughout the week. However, we didn't really see any until Thursday. I watered it in that Monday. Thursday, we were calling for some rain, so I went ahead and I needed to do some more fertilization. So I put down what was left in the only bag of X-Green I've opened this year, which I had 20 pounds left. And that 20 pounds gave me around 0.3 pounds of N for that application per 1,000 square feet. So I've put down a total of 50 pounds of X-Green so far this season. And that's all I did on Thursday. It was watered in. We received about a ½ an inch of rain Thursday and going into Friday. So what did I do on Saturday? Well, that was applying a cocktail of Feature and MFT. I did 5 tablespoons of Feature, if that makes any sense whatsoever. It's just been a number that I've been using once I've kind of figured out how it works with MFT. So I used 5 tablespoons of that plus 3 ounces to the 1,000 of MFT. And then I followed that up a couple of hours later with another application of T-Nex. I have bumped my GDDs up. I'm now running at 250, but then I also found out I was making a little bit of a mistake. I've been running everything off of a 50-degree Fahrenheit base temperature, which is the same as 10 degrees Celsius, but when you start calculating out, when these apps and spreadsheets, whatever you're using to calculate it out, they really want to use the Celsius. So I've been actually over applying, even though I thought I was under applying T-Nex for the Bermuda. I've been over applying it for the Kentucky Bluegrass. That explains a little bit of bronzing issues that are kind of hazing over the lawn. It's not affecting the Yukon Bermuda, but it is affecting the KBG. So use Celsius if you're using GDD trackers. It's what it needs to use. Now on to the fun bit. Did Aerate work as a wetting agent, and how did Tournament Ready do? Let's find out. Let's start in the front yard. It has recovered very well from the application of Tournament Ready. It's looking a whole lot better, and the fact that we've had a couple rain events between the application and now has only made things better. Okay, now into the backyard, things are looking dramatically different. Holy cow, the localized dry spot is all but vanished. You can see a little bit of the bronzing from the over application of T-Nex to the Kentucky Bluegrass, but that'll work its way out eventually. Switching over now, looking back towards the fence gate, those areas are looking fantastic as well. So Tournament Ready really did what it was designed to do. It helped correct the localized dry spot. What about Aerate though? That's not advertised as a wetting agent. That's advertised as a liquid aeration product, but we've all now come to find out pretty much all liquid aeration products are wetting agents inherent to themselves. That's how they kind of work. Well, take a look. I'll let you all judge to see if you notice a difference in it. Keep in mind there's also been an application of X-Green at 0.3 pounds of nitrogen per 1,000 square feet on this, and that was done Thursday, so 5 days ago. That's where it's at, and it's doing its thing. I did have luck with Aerate in the past, so it is serving its purpose. It is helping out. Is it a cost-effective means, though, if you're looking for a wetting agent for your whole lawn? Probably not. Around $100 for 5 gallons, and I'm using 9 ounces per 1,000 square feet. That's quite a bit of product. On a 5,000 square foot lawn, I'm looking at 45 ounces. I can get another wetting agent that's only using 2 to 3 ounces, and it may cost double on the initial upfront investment. I only may get a gallon, but those 3 ounces will go a lot farther. The biggest thing though from this was with that Pellet Pro, holy cow, switching the nozzle from the blue cloudburst to the yellow rainbow made all the difference. I wish I'd done that a couple of years ago when I bought the Pellet Pro. If you are considering a Pellet Pro route, then definitely go ahead. I know it's an extra 30 bucks or so, but pick up that rainbow nozzle as well. It'll work a lot better for you, especially if you don't have something that can put out like 90 PSI and have a gallons per minute rating of like 40 or 50. So that's it. Did the wetting agents work? yes, the tournament ready worked fantastic. I've been using it for years. I knew it was going to work, but I wanted to show you all over a period of time what you can expect from it. The air rate, yeah, I guess so. I'm gonna say it worked, and we're gonna leave it at that. So hey, it's Mike, Real Low Dad, following up on that wedding agent application, and we will see you again soon, because I've been digging in the dirt and we're reclaiming some turf space, and that means plugs or sprigs yet again, and that big area back near the fire pit, that's up next. So we'll see you then.